Alrighty, Marcus, here's your 427 small block Ford. Your description is combination. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Edelbrock manifold. With fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. Got the front end on it. Make sure all alternator functions. Got some ground hydraulic rollers. Also front sump oil pin. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Dope there, 3,500, 529 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 542, awesome torque number, peak horsepower 534, so everything's good. Pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple things here. When you see green, you find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. The crate will be this in the spec sheet. I recommend reading it. Have a great day.